What's going on, guys? I am here to do a review on a Radiant Cycles short slip-on exhaust for the, I believe it's the 06 to 2019 R6s. I have an 08 and I was looking for an easy, cheap slip-on exhaust that I can throw onto my stock R6, and came across this on Amazon for 60 bucks. And I'm gonna do an installation, see what you guys think. I personally love it, and show you guys the differences once I install it. Let's get going. So this is my 2008 R6, completely stock. Little scrape on the muffler, that's why I'm getting rid of it. I didn't do that, the owner before me did that. Claims to have been scraped by the storage that he had it stored in, but I call BS. But yeah, I'm replacing that, so it doesn't matter. But this is what it sounds like with a stock exhaust. And usually in here, there's a nut that holds it all together. It's about a 12 millimeter, I believe. So you just grab a 12 millimeter socket and remove that, which I've already done. And then you just pull it off. And at least mine, you just were able to pull it off. I don't think they sealed it right. And I have it over here. So I'm not using it. And then you just grab your slip on in your 12 millimeter, and then you just slip it on. Which I believe, I'm trying to remember where I had it. It just slips right on. I had it facing at an outward angle, which that's about right. So you just clamp it on down. I don't know how far in I had it. I might have it all the way. That's where I'm going. Perfect. Just turn it right up. Takes literally 2 minutes at the most. Can't find your tool, so. Snug on there, real nice. And this is what you get. Oh, don't even know. So you get kind of a deeper tunnel. Wakes it up just enough. Hopefully without it, we can hopefully get the Wi-Fi. I still have the stock converter. And that is literally it. The Radiant Cycles slip-on exhaust. Super easy to put on. Wakes the bike just enough. And hope you guys enjoy.